So class, today we are going to learn about hash maps. Let me start this story with my visit to the Golden Temple in Amritsar. Uh, Beautiful place, amazing people, mouth-watering food and splendid management. The first thing that they ask you is to remove your shoes and submit it in the cloakroom. And a guy will hand you over a token like this, which will save you an unimaginable amount of time later searching your shoes. Without this token, imagine searching through this pile of shoes for your shoes. And if it's your bad day, the worst case is that you look through each one of the shoes uh, and find your shoe at last in awe of n time. But with a token, you just have to look once at the token's location, and bingo, you have your shoes at location 6 in O of one time. That is the magic of hash maps. And that is exactly how hash maps work. You give it a key value pair to store. It converts the key to a memory address using hashing. Hashing is a technique that uses different mathematical concepts along with different algorithms to generate these memory addresses. Then we just look at that memory address in O of one time and return the required value. And here is an example in Python of how you store a key value pair in a hash map. Thank you.